We're here at Hotel Indigo, Seminyak. If you watched the video last year, we were so impressed that we decided to come back and stay. This is made, I can understand it's some kind of butterfly, something flower that grows here, and sugar cane, and she's going to pour some lime juice inside it, and it's going to change color. Oh, yes, it did. It turned purple. Very pretty. I hope you had a chance to watch the video that I did of Hotel Indigo last year because it is so gorgeous. That's why we're back. The foyer. Trouble with these machines is you need a degree to know how to operate all these different coffee machines. Then from here, we have a giant walk-in closet and dressing table. Not that I'm planning on dressing. It's going to be shorts and t-shirts. We don't usually travel with huge suitcases like that, but 18 days on a cruise ship, we need just a few more little items. Oh, nice. Let's head to the bathroom next. They will give you as many bottles of water a day that you need. Toothpaste and everything is tucked into this beautiful little bag. Oh, nice. I keep saying I'm not going to take any more toothpaste, but I can't help it. I can't leave them behind. Gigantic shower and basin. I'm sure you can see why we decided to come back here. And out there is our own little lanai with the day bed. And last but not least, this gorgeous king-size bed. They have great mushy pillows, really wonderful bedding. The commercials always say, and as I say also, membership does have its privileges. If you have an IHG credit card, which is well worth the less than $100 a year to keep one, because they give you one free night every year on your anniversary date. So Steve and I both have the cards. We used mine for one free night, and we used his for the other free night, and then paid for one. Can't get any better than that. More lounging area. Gorgeous, gorgeous hotel with so much space. We are having drinks in the tree bar. That's the sacred tree. I forgot why it was sacred. Annie told me when we visited last year, but I don't remember. We ordered some chicken satay with peanut sauce, small bites that are the all-time spiciest chicken satays I've ever eaten. The taste bud in my tongue is tingling away and my whole inside my mouth is on fire. Welcome again to Hotel Indigo, and I hope you recognize Annie, who was the impetus that we came. Again, she showed us around. I'm going to tack on my old video on top of it. So Annie is a bride. She got married last year, right?
Yes, last year on 21st of September.
And right now she is in charge of the villas. Tell me a little bit about the villas in case somebody's interested.
All right, sure. For in here we have 19 villas. We have 15 one-bedroom villas. So all of the one-bedroom villas have a same concept, same layout, and same design. But the only difference is the door color and the location. But everything inside is the same. And also we have two bedroom villas. They have a sliding door inside. If there is a big family coming, so we can open the door, so it will become 4 bedrooms villa with 2 big pool and then 2 kids pool.
Doesn't that sound wonderful? Bring your family down. Come on.
Yeah, come on with us.
Yeah, Steve and I are just going to go be walking a little bit today. And do come to Bali, as crowded as it is over Christmas. Come after New Year's. That's my suggestion. Annie just told me that on March 7th, is that correct? March 7th is Balinese New Year, and they have a silent day. The whole island is closed. There is no noise, no airplanes. Of course, there are tourists, right?
Tourists only stay in the hotel.
But tourists, they have to stay in the hotel for the whole day?
Yes.
And the whole island is quiet. I think that is an excellent idea. But just prepare for it if you're coming in March. Let us begin by investigating the breakfast buffet. I really liked the Marriott where we stayed last year. They had great food, but I hated being around the pool. It is so funny. We thought that was glass, and we asked how you open up the glass. It's not. You just stick your hand in there. Low-fat yogurt, plain yogurt, Greek yogurt, regular yogurt, different sweets. Very beautiful presentation. Crispy bacon and soft bacon. Oh, I could do my usual waffles and pour bacon on top of it and cream and sauces and you name it. Noodle soup, laksa, and soup of the day. You can have different kinds of eggs, omelets, scrambled, fried, eggs Benedict. Yes, please. It's with soursop fruit inside. Thank you. Oh, there's dragon fruit. Yum, yum. More breads. Oh my God. 7-grain sour bread. All kinds of dressings for salad. Well, I am going to go make my way around. Good morning. Selamat pagi. They do the French fries. I want a 1 square waffle. They just made me 2 squares. Thank you so much. You've got enough for 50 people. That is guava and mango. This is just a small portion of our breakfast. I ask you, did you ever? This is the hot food section. So that one is kuhagaranga. Ooh, vegetables, ratatouille.
Indonesian traditional.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Nasi goreng, I like nasi. Ooh, chicken looks good.
Baby potato.
Baby potatoes. Excellent potatoes. Lovely.
Small salted.
Sauteed mushrooms. Beef sanur.
Yeah, Indonesian traditional.
That looks good.
This one.
Herb tomatoes.
Herb tomato.
I like that you just order whatever you want, give them your table number, and they bring it. Look at these gorgeous eggs Benedict. They put it on bacon. And I mishmashed muesli, yogurt, and honey. You just gotta see Steve's dish. That is called butterfish. I do want to taste it. A 7-grain bread, and it looks like an almond croissant. They have yummy pink dragon fruit here, and that is passion fruit, maracuya. I like the French press coffee. We go through at least 2 or 3 for breakfast. We're at Sugarland in the hotel. When we were here last year, all the noise that was in the video was the building over here. They were busy building this particular restaurant, lounge. I'm sure they spare no expense at any of the hotels, but what a stunning hotel. It's a tough life, Steve, but somebody has to do it, right? I like the quiet pool. I wish more hotels would do this, where there is absolutely no music. Steve ordered a sirloin steak. We're in the Tree Bar again, and I ordered sticky pork ribs. God, they look good. They're huge. Oh, they're really big. I believe I videoed this yesterday, but they have really excellent sticky barbecued ribs. This is so neat. It really is gorgeous. What an absolutely exquisite resort.